Okay, good afternoon world, and today we are doing a workshop tour with this man here. This is Neels Van Den Berg.
Hello.
And this is going to be the first in a series of videos that I'm going to do of workshop tours with my fellow knife makers and bladesmiths. So Niels, take us around, show us what you got.
Come in. Welcome. So this is, okay, to the right, we've got my office computer.
This is where he looks at all his porn.
Yes, knife porn, always.
Yeah.
And just received this one last
Oh,
week,
nice.
which is brilliant. Apparently a couple of weeks late, well, month.
It arrived.
Yes, it did. And then this is finishing. This buff here is it's not an extremely powerful one, but she gets used mostly for finishing on handles.
Yeah.
Nothing really else gets done in here. No steel.
Always remember to keep your buffs covered.
Yes,
keep them clean.
Keep your
Not
ass covered and your buff covered.
Yes.
And then this is where I do my fine work of finishing. Carving at the moment on a ridiculous bloody axe. I don't know why I decided to do this, but
I have no one to blame but yourself.
It's moving to take a bit longer than I anticipated. This is our boardroom table, or a meeting one, where we basically sit and discuss what we need to do for the day. I've just marked out axes this morning. That is my son. He decided to start making this weekend.
His son is invisible.
Yes, so last night
Primitive camouflage instinct.
he didn't pack away his stuff, so he'll get an earful of that tonight. And then to the right we've got Bakang currently sanding the D13, which is a new design. That is the first one.
And it's flat ground if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah.
Yes. I haven't done that in a while, especially on a production blade.
Yeah.
This little hole here will eventually become our leather working area.
Yes.
But at this point it's just a storage, as we don't have storage for leather yet.
Everybody should take note that Niels has been in here for how long now?
It's a month and a bit.
About a month and a bit. So this is like a fledgling workshop. It will become magnificent in time.
And then this one is the sorting out table at the moment.
She's like, I wish I had so many knives lying around. I have a horrible tendency to finish all my knives, you know.
This one, for instance, I started 4 years ago.
I remember, I was there.
That is 52-100 hand forged. Ridiculous.
Did you do that at my place?
It's now, yes, we started it there. But this was just now, in the meanwhile, it's been heat treated. Okay. And I'm down to, I think it's a 320 grit grind on it. But
you have an angelic glow. Oh, hang on. Let's stand in the doorway. There we go.
Alright, so all of the knives left on here is we dug out of boxes subsequent to the move now. I'll be busy sorting through them, but about 80% of this will be chucked because it's old design stuff that we started, never finished for some other reason.
Yeah.
For instance, a dagger that I stopped. This is an edge weld, a twist on an edge weld on a 1070 shaft, but it's too broad and I don't like it, so it won't fetch. And then rejected designs. I mean, this is long and narrow. No.
Then I shouldn't show you my bowing knives, eh?
That will be finished. No, but I don't like it. The proportions are nice. So,
no worries.
But okay, so we started sorting handle materials on that side.
Handle materials.
So what we have is air compressor, storage, storage. This will become the bigger meeting table once everything is done. So when I teach class,
the round table.
The round table. Everyone can have their opinion, but only mine counts.
Yes.
You know the same thing. Then tools is this area here.
Power tools, bandsaws.
Yes, bits and bobs, everything you need.
But not grinding.
No.
Grinding is in a special place.
Yes. And let's go move here. And then in the corner there is sandblasting. And everything is on wheels. So if you need more space or you need to do something, then obviously you can move it. And if it's not required, then you move it out of the way.
Coolio.
And then this little one. Woohoo!
Hey, Engelsman coffee. Oros, he knows I like Oros in a big cup. Is it proper Van Den Berg Oros?
That is brain freeze Oros.
Oh yes.
Our
nice cold Oros. Thanks, Sulu.
Is actually broken.
Yeah.
The one with the Black Dragon logo on it is actually broken.
Yeah.
Was subsequently chucked out of the house because the thermostat is stuck on its highest setting. So if you leave a bottle of water just in the freezer side, not the fridge, it will freeze it.
Oh, nice.
So, okay, but this one here is our little demo anvil. Anvil I built about 3-4 years ago. If we're doing demos, we can carry it around. But this has become, in the meanwhile, my...
Peening anvil.
Yeah, peening and peening.
Yeah, not like the Herb's peening anvil, which is 200 kilograms.
Yes. So that one works well. Currently full of epoxy because I rivet my handles onto... There you go. So that gets hammered in. And for the guys, if you haven't looked at my mouse, you need to wallop them to get those rivets in there in the first place.
If you can't fix it with your biggest hammer?
It's an electrical problem.
Yes.
Okay, so we've got drilling station. It's the only thing I kind of set up at the moment. Overhead drill lights that we can swivel onto whatever drill I need. And seeing that we're doing production knives, it is useless to stop halfway through and change drill bits.
Absolutely.
And my most complicated knife has got 4 little different size holes, so then you set everything up. And we never make less than 20 on a design, so then it just saves you minutes per knife and hours over 20.
Yes.
So it makes sense to spend.
If you can afford to have 1 drill per drill bit size, this is the way to go.
Yeah.
And this is the best drill, by the way. It's got gears.
Yeah, let me just do a quick demo on that, man. This is brilliant. I bought this from Game a couple of years ago.
Of all places.
And for the guys that remember Andre Lesh, he was the floor manager back then.
Yeah.
And I went in to pick this up, which shouldn't have taken me more than an hour. Ended up getting there about 9 o'clock and leaving there just before 5 that afternoon.
Oh boy, talk your ear off, yeah.
Yes, had a nice KO, but the nice thing about this, it's got a laser sight. Okay, so precision, there we go.
Nice.
You have got an RPM meter. Revolutions per minute, and then this little knob on the side, and still if you want to take the shot from the front, I push it back, speed increases, and then you pull it back, the speed.
I nearly bought this from you.
And this is, it's a Racer model SBL20V, as per the sticker.
Get one of those.
Yeah, it really rocks. The best investment.
We are not sponsored by Eurasia.
No, I wish I was. Okay, and that's the forging.
Now here's the fun part, yes.
Yeah.
Let's get a full view of it, yeah.
Okay, so there we go. Don't look at that. Imagine this.
Okay, maybe I should be the other way with a nice view.
Nice and neat, all packed away. Okay. We'll get there eventually. Steel, all high quality steels except for that one there. And then these beauties.
Nice.
I found around the corner.
Angel wings.
And yes. So they decided to.
Okay.
They came off.
Design table, hammering table, and stuff.
Work in progress.
Work in progress.
Okay.
Anvils.
Anvils. This is my smaller one, 77 kilogram Brooks. Some of the previous videos, if you've watched on my channel, you would have noticed the corner was broken off. This was fixed up last week.
Yes, also subscribe to Black Dragon Forge YouTube channel as well.
This little baby goes with the acid dunk. So this is hydrochloric acid. After forging, you want to get rid of your fire scale. Yeah, that goes in there. Your knives go in there, that goes in there. And then let it simmer. 20 to 40 minutes, turning regularly. That'll sort out your fire scale. This is my hot table. So anything that gets forged.
And what's this made of?
This is just mild steel.
I specifically mean the surface.
And then that is fire brick.
Fire bricks, yes, because fire bricks are good insulators.
That's it.
So your blade doesn't cool too quickly on one side or the other.
That's it. From the guys now in the know will notice, or will know from experience that when you forge the blade, we just heat up any piece of metal and you put it on the anvil. Okay. The anvil is a heat sink, so it's cool. It'll suck the heat out, and your metal will actually
bend. Yeah.
Because it cools down on one side.
I use a custom designed Black Dragon Mark II to put my blades in.
This is my bigger one. This is 196 kilograms.
Yeah, baby.
So what's this one?
Is this the one with a little bite in the back?
That it is.
It's still there.
That it is.
There you go. Knife versus anvil.
And
knife wins.
I don't know. Let's call it a draw.
I chopped the anvil with a Bowie knife. It left a piece of the knife in the anvil.
Okay, so there's the video on how I decided to fasten this. What else? What else? We've got...
a swage block now. Anybody who does bladesmithing knows that these are the rarest things. And gee whiz, Niels, the fact that you've got one and use it as a table is shameful.
It's actually not used. Well, it was. I was scrubbing off rust from a blade.
So it's a rust scrubbing table.
It's a little makeshift table.
And your hammer setup.
But the whole idea behind this is when you're drifting, holes. Let's go. Let's find a drift. Here we go. Holes through axe heads and anything in that like. Here we go. Where's this one? There's a big one that we're working on. So now, for whatever reason, I want to enlarge that hole. Then you would find a space where you're comfortable in, and then obviously, you see,
whack it in.
Whack it in.
Perfect.
Right.
Nice.
And the smaller the drift, the smaller the hole.
That's what she said.
For whatever reason you want to bend stuff. That's why all of these little thingies on.
Yeah.
And this baby, I've got no idea how much she weighs, but it took 3 of us
fucking heavy
to lift it a whole.
This is the coolest forge. It's a makeshift forge.
Yes,
it's an adjustable forge.
It's a big ass one. It's a 5 burner. Well, it can take up to 5 burners. Currently only running 2, and I built this specifically for the axes and the bigger work. And if you want to heat treat swords, for instance.
Yes.
So this is a top piece and it's a bottom piece, both 50mm refractory, high heat refractory cement casted. So you'll then just pack 2 pieces.
Yeah, I'll be coming here to do my swords closer than Belfast.
We haven't actually fitted the quench tank yet, and we'll must
bury it.
Probably have to do it on the outside. Yes. No, it will be buried, but then obviously we need to.
If anybody who's hardened a sword will know that you don't put your quench tank on the ground, you bury it in the ground. It's hard to lift the sword up, especially when you've got the roof of the workshop.
Yeah, so if you've got a 1.2 meter sword,
and you've got a
1.2 meter or 2 meter tank, that's 3.2 meters, and you need a ladder.
Yes.
A standard roof is 1.8 meters high.
Yeah.
Let's call it 2 meters. This one here is a bit low. So we won't make it. So then, my standard little post box forge.
Yes, these. Okay, anybody who doesn't own one of these should, because for how long now since 7 years?
6 and a bit.
6 and a bit. Yeah. Niels gave me the first one.
The second one.
This
is the first one.
That's the first one. Yeah.
But she's had a couple of coats of paint.
Yeah, mine's still like perfectly rusted. You know, it's in shelter now. No, but these little Mark 1s will forge swords, bowie knives, with the exception of axes, I think.
An axe with a headboard, so if we do that there,
yeah,
of 110, yeah, that'll fit. So it'll fit.
Okay.
Note this forge is cold.
Yes. Always remember, in a bladesmith's workshop, it's either sharp or it's hot.
Yeah, that's it. And the reason we can touch everything is today we're not forging, we're having a KO.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we move over to the post vice. Now this is a bit of an
hey, you finally got it up.
Yes.
That's what she said.
This one here, you'll notice, looks very familiar.
Yeah.
Because I got it of a good mate of mine named Stuart Smith. That was quite a couple of years ago.
Yeah, part of our
my workshop for about 3
perpetual
years.
Bargaining.
Yes, so swap and bargain, and I owe you and you owe me, and. But at my previous workshop, that was fitted to this railroad sleeper stump.
Now it's a proper setup for like a bend. Now we sorted.
The problem is that,
a little low.
No, the height is perfect for me.
Yeah.
For me,
yeah, of course. Right.
I'm the only opinion in the council, aren't I?
Absolutely.
Everyone has an opinion, like an asshole. But mine here is the only one that counts. The problem is that when we fitted this, the ground is a rock. Hey. So we managed to go in 600, about that deep.
Should be deep enough.
And we
concrete.
It's not, so we'll have to dig it out and put concrete. As you can see, it's at a slight angle.
Yeah.
From hammering axes. And,
oh yeah, that shouldn't happen.
And yeah, so that we'll have to redo, and that's something that really ticks me off.
And quenching tanks.
You have to redo it. Yeah, these are bay marines. So food grade stainless. There we go.
Nice. Is that the 8-second oil?
That it is, sir. So
good stuff.
Meanwhile, I've decided to upgrade from the old 3-to-1 homemade mix
black gunk
to a proper commercial quench oil.
And a flux. Yay, boring.
The main reason I did that is the 3-to-1 mix works, especially on 5160.
Yeah.
We've seen this. Both my cut and bends for the South African Bladesmiths Association as well as the American Bladesmiths Association journeyman test was done in the 3-to-1 home mix 3 units car oil, 2 units transmission fluid, and 1 unit diesel.
Yeah.
Mixed properly, and that works like a Charman 5160.
Yeah.
The problem is that you can only quench 2 to 3 fairly large blades, and then it heats up.
And you have to wait for it to cool. Yeah.
Yeah. Where the commercial quenching is actually made so
to harden when it's hot. Yeah.
Is actually up on temperature.
Yeah.
And yesterday I heat treated, and this is 20 liters of oil. I heat treated 60 blades, and the cool down cycle on this stuff is absolutely
quick. Well, it's so
brilliant.
fine.
Really,
It's almost
really
as fine as water.
Yeah. So
Also good for Hammond.
Yes. And we did Hammonds yesterday on 5160. So I am trying to see whether it'll show a perfect Hammond. Okay. Well then the blue braai.
The blue braai.
Okay.
And then there's the view. Ah, bastard.
Okay.
And there are giraffe here. Fucking hell.
And blue wildebeest.
And blue wildebeest and zebra.
You name it. There's just buck. I think it's 14 different species. We don't have any predators except the dragons, of course. There'll be dragons around here.
There'll be dragons.
Well, we still need to get rid of this.
Yeah, I'm avoiding the junk pile for you.
Yeah, don't look at this.
And Niels's house is going to be up there when he gets around to putting it up. Eventually. Nice with a view.
Eventually.
And then, here we go.
This is the grind room. So in the meanwhile, we've leveled it up. And we've started with the gravel around it.
Nice straight gravel.
Yeah, that was.
That's going to last all of how long?
He's I don't know. This is now about 5 days, so I'm hoping it'll last at least 2 weeks. But welcome to the shop. Now normally we'll have these doors open as well. Okay, so these swing open, and then we've got an extremely nice breeze coming through here, which agent gets rid of the grinding dust, as well as cools your back while you grind. So we've got this machine here, is 0.75 horsepower, but it's a 6-pole motor, so extremely powerful. And this is purely a profiling machine. So we use this to profile, for those in the know.
I think you and I are the only ones who can stop this machine.
And, no, this is the baby.
This is the baby?
Yeah,
okay, that's the easy one to stop.
0.75.
Okay.
So exclusively used for profiling. No grinding gets done on here.
Yeah.
Except when I've got class and then we run into 2 guys wanting to do the same thing, then that's it. Then
the beast.
Yes, the beast. So my double wheel hollow grinder took me close to a year to figure this thing out. Guess I'm not the brightest out there.
Yeah, well, if you can do it.
It works. She's now at a point where she needs a bit of maintenance on the wheels itself. But we'll get there.
Nice.
Okay, and then my big bay boy, which is started out as
this is the 1.4.
This is a 2.2 kilo.
2.2. Wow.
Yes. So we've upgraded.
Nice. So we can grind. No wonder it doesn't take you long to grind. You can just lean into the sucker, you know.
I haven't managed to stop this one yet.
Serious?
Not at all. Not at all.
Wow.
So what we have had is I managed to stop the belt, but the wheel still sits. So
friction burns.
Yes. And normally when that happens, you need to run because that belt will slap. It slaps really hard. And then obviously we haven't got any power on today. The whole idea behind the shop and out in the middle of nowhere is eventually we want to get off-grid.
Yeah.
So completely self-reliant, whether it be generators or whether it be
solar power, wind, whatever, yeah.
But the whole idea is to set everything up so that I can be completely off the grid.
Excellent.
Yeah, so that's it. I'll leave you with a shot of mine.
Oh yeah.
My current
That's some proper knife porn there.
And all of this needs to be done by next week Friday. How realistic that is, I don't know.
And is this all for Easter show and Blade?
Just stock. No, none of this will go to Blade.
Okay.
No, this is for local market.
What are you going to do for Blade?
We're doing traditional American Bladesmiths Association, so Bowie's.
So you're going to do custom forged stuff. Finally, you're going to do some custom work.
I have to. I'm applying for journalism.
Of course, there you go.
Can't go. Look at my stock removed knife. I'm applying for bladesmithing, so I need to show that I can actually hit the hammer.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So, thanks a lot, Neels, for showing us around.
Pleasure.
Neels Van Den Berg is the owner and operator and head bottle washer at Black Dragon Forge. There. Out in the Bundus.
So that's proper enough.
Yeah. So, thank you very much for showing us around, Neels.
Pleasure.
And, yeah, keep well. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.